never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here I'll be sharing with you guys how to create these amazing stunning backgrounds. Yes, these stunning backgrounds. Actually, I did this on an artboard. Yes, so let me create another document to show you the process and how I did it. So this is an artboard created. So I already have a layer here. So what I'll do is go to my gradient. So from my gradient, I'll create, but make sure that the gradient is on radial. So from the middle here, I'll draw travel background here. So this is, so we convert this to a smart object. So after it's converted, so you go to your filter, then liquidify. So from liquidify is where we'll do the magic. So you make sure you pin all edges here. Then you can increase the size of the brush a bit. So then you use the brush, make sure that it is on the forward wipe tool. Then draw them together. So the idea here is just to play around with it and create something. So I think we're fine with this. Then let's press OK. Then for me, I usually add a noise to it. So just let's add this. Then I'm okay with this one. So you can repeat same processes to others. So you can also change the colors. Yes, so that's the same thing we did here. So you can click on your document here and the layer. So after you click on the layer, so you can now click on the image, then hue saturation. So you can change the color to a gradient that blends actually. Yes. I think I just like it, the previous like this. So let's go back to our previous document. So they are the same thing that would actually be done here. So let me do another example. But then if you look at my gradient, I have a lot of gradient parts here. So I'll attach the link to a previous video where you can gain access to these gradients. Yes, this is 160, then the other one is over 6,000 gradients. So they will actually help my design project to stand out. So I'll picking from these 6,000 gradients to work with for the next tutorial guide. So let me start and pick one. Pick this. Let's pick this. Then let's create. Let's create another artboard. So after creating another artboard, then I want this video to be very short. So let's create a new layer. So gradient. To have something like this, but then I want it to be at the middle. Yes, let's have something like this. So next thing is to convert to smart object. Then filter, liquidify, and then make sure that this is checked. The pin, then you put your select the forward drag tool. Then you can be able to throw up in between them. And then we have something like this again. So this is the first one to the second one. So also I also like to add gradient to sorry noise to the background. So let's add piece of noise to what we have. Yeah. So I think this is finer than this one. This is finer than this. So I like this one. Sometimes you just have to sketch it again. So this one, so I actually did this one. These are some of the backgrounds here. So just try as much as possible to do them. Yeah. You do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah.